very proud to have this competition being conducted here. The Western Ghats and Dandeli Forest region, which is between Goa, Karnataka and also the bordering areas of Maharashtra. We have got the youth of India represented by 20 teams, and there are 4 teams from the media taking part in this competition. It's the first time in Asia and first time in India that such a competition being held either for the media or for the young people. This is the first time that young Indians are being given a chance to have a multidisciplinary race where they are hiking, trekking, cycling and rafting. And also they will all be seeing Mother Earth from close range. They will be in the lap of nature, and I can say that they will truly be proud of their heritage of being Indian.
तर निसर्गाचे आम आनंद घेतो.
एक्सपीरियंस हम गेन कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, इससे पहले नहीं किया था. हम बेसिकली दूसरे इवेंट्स है, आज स्कीइंग से, आज
रेसिंग से,
आज रेस. अब नया एक्सपीरियंस जो है ये
एडवेंचर एक्सपीरियंस.
तो बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है.
We are cadets from National Defence Academy, Pune, Khadakwasla. We are excited about it because this is the first multidisciplinary kind of event that we are participating in.
I congratulate him and the entire team because he's just not got the youth of Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka, but he's got all the youth, all the teams from across India, and more importantly also he's seen to that there's a social aspect attached to it. Maybe boys from Dharavi have also come. That's very credible, and I once again wish them all the best.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको? कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ पहले नहीं?
नो सर।
The race started at 11 o'clock. It was very sunny, but then also we enjoyed the route. And after that, we got a rest of 3 hours in the temple. And after the temple, we had a very good run. And I completed the route just because of my teammates. I was not able to cope up in the start, but it was all because of my teammate that I was able to cope up and complete the route in time.
It was a good experience for us. It's like a camps that we used to do in our NDA. We enjoyed a lot. Cycling was the first new event for us, but we did good. And followed by running, which was our event. We did best in that. And that we got experience of rafting also. Trying to be taught by this event, by putting all the three together. This shows that you one alone will not matter. All three of us will matter. It's a game of a team, and you must go as a team only.
Kundar Singh Basera, party rafting. Wish you all the best. Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations.
It was a great experience for us. We had witnessed this for the first time. We all are enjoying this event as we put our best on the show. But overall, we are the winners. We are so happy for this. We had come four participants were there, and
One got injured.
one had got injured, but he didn't give up, and we all three put up a good show at the end.